Black holes, discovery, structure, and influence. Black holes stand among the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the entire universe. These cosmic entities possess such an immense gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape from their grasp once past a certain point. Because of this, they appear completely black to observers, earning them the name black holes. Their study has captivated both astronomers gazing through telescopes and physicists crafting theories about the nature of space and time. The concept of black holes was first introduced in 1916 by Albert Einstein through his groundbreaking general theory of relativity. At the time, they were nothing more than mathematical curiosities, strange solutions to Einstein's equations suggesting that under certain conditions, gravity could become infinitely strong. For many years, the idea of such objects was debated and considered purely theoretical. That changed dramatically in the 20th century with the arrival of advanced instruments and telescopes. In the 1960s, scientists examining the Cygnus stellar cluster stumbled upon something extraordinary. They observed a brilliant blue star that was emitting intense X-ray radiation, far more than could be explained by standard models. It wasn't behaving like a normal star. Instead, it seemed to be locked in orbit with an invisible partner. The only explanation that made sense was that the star was orbiting a compact, massive object that didn't emit any light, a black hole. This system was later named Cygnus X1, and it marked one of the first solid confirmations of black holes as real, physical objects. Located roughly 6,000 light-years from Earth, Cygnus X1 displays all the classic characteristics of a black hole. It is incredibly compact and dense, generating a gravitational pull so powerful that not even photons, the particles of light, can escape. This property defines what's known as the event horizon, an invisible boundary beyond which nothing can return. Once something crosses that threshold, it is inevitably pulled inward toward the black hole's center. Astronomers have since identified many more black holes throughout the cosmos. They come in various types and sizes, ranging from stellar mass black holes formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, to supermassive black holes that lurk at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Estimates suggest our galaxy alone may contain over 100 million black holes, each playing a vital role in shaping its environment. Despite being invisible, black holes exert tremendous influence over their surroundings. Their intense gravity can bend the paths of nearby stars, pull in surrounding gas and dust, and even regulate the formation of stars. As matter spirals into a black hole, it heats up and emits radiation, allowing us to observe its presence indirectly. Anything that comes too close is drawn toward the event horizon. What happens next is both fascinating and terrifying. The immense gravitational force causes a process known as spaghettification, where the object is stretched and pulled into a long, thin shape as it nears the singularity, the point of infinite density at the center of the black hole. Here, all known laws of physics seem to collapse, and science enters a realm of uncertainty and speculation. Black holes, therefore, are not just cosmic oddities. They offer a unique testing ground for our understanding of gravity, matter, time, and the very fabric of the universe. As tools and techniques improve, scientists are developing new ways to peer deeper into these mysterious regions of space. In 2021, a monumental achievement was made when researchers captured the first actual image of a black hole, located at the center of the M87 galaxy. The glowing ring of matter surrounding the black hole revealed not only its presence but also its complex internal structure. The image confirmed the existence of three key zones: the event horizon, the photon sphere, where light orbits the black hole, and the singularity at its core. Each layer challenges our understanding of physics and pushes us closer to answering wormholes, string theory, and the quest for a unified reality. As scientists continue to investigate black holes, more intriguing phenomena come into focus, phenomena that push the limits of imagination and science alike. One such concept is the rotating black hole, introduced in 1963 by physicist Roy Kerr. Unlike a static black hole, a spinning one drags the surrounding space along with it, creating a region known as the ergosphere. Within this zone, the rules of space and time begin to twist in unexpected ways. This new understanding led to the theoretical idea of wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges. These are hypothetical tunnels through spacetime that might connect two distant regions of the universe, or even two different universes entirely. In theory, a wormhole could serve as a shortcut, allowing faster-than-light travel between points that would otherwise take millions of years to reach. However, while wormholes are fascinating in theory, major challenges stand in the way of making them practical or real. Issues like quantum instability, massive radiation, and the need for exotic matter to keep them open make it unlikely that wormholes will become usable anytime soon, if ever. Even so, they remain a powerful symbol of scientific creativity, inspiring everything from high-level physics research to science fiction stories. At the heart of many of these theories is the ongoing quest to develop a theory of everything, a single framework that unites gravity, quantum mechanics, and all fundamental forces of nature. One of the most promising efforts in this direction is superstring theory. This theory proposes that all particles and forces in the universe are made of tiny, vibrating strings of energy rather than indivisible points. These strings can vibrate in different ways, and each vibration corresponds to a different type of particle or force. Superstring theory paints the universe as a kind of cosmic symphony, where every particle is a musical note, created by a string vibrating at a specific frequency. This elegant model can account for black holes, wormholes, and many other exotic cosmic features. But superstring theory doesn't stop there. It also requires extra dimensions beyond the three of space and one of time that we're familiar with. These hidden dimensions are believed to be curled up in incredibly tiny spaces, too small to detect directly. Some analogies compare this to fish swimming across the surface of a pond, unaware of the depth below them. Just because we don't perceive these dimensions doesn't mean they aren't there. They may be subtly shaping the universe around us. Despite its beauty, superstring theory faces real obstacles. It currently lacks experimental proof, and its reliance on invisible dimensions makes it extremely difficult to test. Yet it has revolutionized mathematical physics, forging powerful connections between abstract math and observable reality. The work of physicists like Edward Witten has elevated string theory into one of the most intellectually rich areas of modern science. As he once said, superstring theory is 21st century physics that fell into the 20th century. Recent developments are providing new hope. Several research teams are exploring simplified versions of string theory, including two-dimensional models that could unlock new insights into black hole behavior without requiring all 10 or 11 dimensions. Though these approaches are still in early stages, they offer a promising path forward. Black holes remain key to solving the universe's greatest mysteries. They interact with other extreme cosmic objects like neutron stars and gamma-ray bursts, revealing just how dynamic and interconnected our universe truly is. Studying them not only deepens our understanding of astrophysics but challenges our fundamental assumptions about reality. As we push further into the unknown, guided by ideas like string theory, quantum gravity, and spacetime curvature, we stand at the edge of a scientific revolution. One day, we may fully unlock the secrets hidden in black holes, and in doing so, understand the